Hi friends, welcome to Softcode. As you know, as a developer or a programmer, we have to write thousands of lines to just develop a small thing. So it becomes necessary to master the keyboard, and we should be in a position that we can type the keyboard without even looking at it. So for this, today I'm going to explain some websites so that you can master the keyboard and type very fastly and with a great accuracy. So there are thousands of websites to learn the keyboard, but I have selected some very popular websites for you. So let's open the Chrome and here search for typing.com and press enter. So guys, this is the website where you can learn the keyboard faster, easier and in a better way. This is the keyboard which help us to understand where should we keep the fingers on the keyboard, which finger should be on which letter. So for this, just you have to log in with student login. Here there are so many number of options to can log in. I'm going to log in with the Google. So I'm choosing this one. So after logging, you will get this pop-up. You can check it later. So you can see I have practiced somewhat. Here there are so many number of sections with different level of difficulties from beginner to your problem keys. So here where the session starts. You can see after pressing resume, you will get this option. Press F. You can see this website help us to understand how to keep your hands on the keyboard. The right hand, the four fingers should be on J, L, L and semicolon. And similarly the left hand should be on F, D, S, A. You can understand how you should keep your hand. It's telling us to press F. Let's press F. Found it. Press enter. So from now it will tell you how to practice the keywords. So by this way you can learn your hands on finger on the keyboard. So this is the first website, and there's a bonus point that after completing each unit you will get an unit certificate which you can download and show to your friends. So guys, after getting your hands on your keyboard, you have to get some practice, right? So there is a website called monkeytype.com. Yeah, this is the website monkeytype.com. This is a great website where you can type faster and with an accuracy. It will give very great analysis for you. For example, here you can practice punctuations, numbers, you can type different languages, and there are so many number of settings, and even choose the time setting or the word setting, number of words you want to type. You can quote, and there's a setting option. You can change the theme of the website, and here you can change the timings, like you want to type for 60 seconds or 120 seconds or even 30 seconds. As you type it, suppose you can see I'm typing with an ease after learning from typing.com. So let me stop here. So as you continue practicing daily, the typing becomes easy and you can type without even seeing. So with the help of the monkeytype.com and typing.com, you can master the keyboard very easily. Just working for 15 minutes per day, you will learn the keyboard just in a week. So guys, just practice these websites, and yeah, this is the analysis of your typing speed. You can see uh, the speed here, words per minute, and the accuracy. And here you can get raw speed, and this is the actual speed, the average speed, and here is a consistency. And you can see where you have typed wrong, so that you can practice that letters. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure that you practice and code, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.